Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're looking for a smartwatch that helps you keep track of just about everything, check this one out by EarlySincere. It's durable, it's well made. I love the quality of it. I can keep track of the weather in any location. I love this breathable mesh loop. It has smooth edges and it feels so comfortable on my wrist. I love how it feels and I love how it looks. Has a fitness tracker with fitness goals, reminders, really helps me to reach my goals. Has great activities for like games, for idle time. I also like this magnetic clasp because it is secure and it never slips off my wrist. I can play music, has all these great reminders, including an intelligent health monitoring, so I can check my blood pressure, or I can even check my breathing and inhalation holding or blood oxygen. I also can keep track of more personal things that I'd like to keep track of. It's nice with this Bluetooth call, dial, and receive message notification as well. I love the volume on this watch. I can hear and speak very clearly. It's really made so nice and well. I like these extra features as well as far as keeping track of your heart rate. And I like that this is waterproof. So if I'm sweating or steam gets on it, I'm not worried because it's such a well-made product. This watch is also customizable, so you can make it convenient and easy to use for you. It has an alarm clock, the smart voice assistant. It also has a way to locate your phone if you don't remember where you set it, like me sometimes. And everything about this watch is really perfect for me in my daily life. One full charge lasts a very long time, so this has made a huge difference for me.
I love this, but that's just my point of view.